Hello, everybody. I'm trying out my camera, my decent camera. Is this working? Is this working? Hmm. Uh, Hi. Okay, well, join me for a cup of tea. Join me for a cup of tea. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started. Sorry, I lost my chat. Sorry, where's the chat gone? Is OBS still going? Yeah, here's OBS. There's the chat. Hey, Peter. Yeah, let's get the tea going here. It's a bloody miserable day here in England. Extremely miserable. Ah. So thanks for the company, Peter. Where are you? Is the weather any better? We're almost over the winter, aren't we? Okay, so I wanted to figure out. I was inspired by something I watched. Okay, so I have it. I have my my NeoVim configuration again, and then I wanted to look at this lama, lama, olama, olama. It's like Docker. Um, olama. And I just wanted to compare it to just my experiences with OpenAI because, yeah, I want to, because OpenAI, as you know, I've spent like $12 on OpenAI like yesterday or something. So, I mean, I was messing around quite a lot, but $10 a day is a little mental. I mean, how many API requests have I made? I think it might have been the tokens. Yeah, I don't really have a good wrap on the tokens. So I think I was shoving too many things towards it, and it was probably mm, yeah. So anyway, I was just gonna have a play with getting a llama running locally. So that's where I'm at. Oh, nice, nice, Teffy. You're a man of sophistication and style. I like it. Okay, so I had trouble working this out yesterday. Send a message. Send a message. How do you pipe something to it? Because the next thing I want to do is pipe something. Okay, hold on. What time of year is it? I'm in the UK. Interesting. How do you pipe to llama? I want to pipe to you. This is the thing I find very interesting about a lot of systems is the text input and output. This is what I think GPT script has done very well, is make that a little bit clearer. Okay, right. How do I pipe to you? Oh, you can just refer to it? What? You can just execute? Interesting. All right. Well, let's try something like uh, uh do you know what is Mm, okay. How come it no how can I can open this but not this? Hmm. Okay. Can you suggest improvements improvements? Say some improvements to um oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Whatever, stop. This is nice and fast. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Show model information. Show info. Q4. What does that mean? 2 billion. Sounds like a lot. Okay, hold on. Is it going to be? I mean, this is not even on my system, so how can it? Sorry. Thanks, Peter. Blup, this has gone really well, hasn't it? Sorry, everybody. Sorry. Okay, let me start again. Let me start again. I installed Alarma. Yay, Alarma. I pulled stable LM2 because it seemed like a popular one in the Alarma models. And I've been just running it like so. And I'm just trying to work out how to pipe to it or integrate my workflow with it. So that's where I'm at. So let's just go with that, shall we? Don't like this way of of integrating with it. There's got to be a better way. Because I want to do like a follow on also. A follow on. I want the context, right? Create a model file. Hmm. Dum da dum dum da dum. Okay, this is installing the minstrel model, and then I don't know what it's doing. That's all it did. Yeah, yeah. Alarm and Daemon runs OpenAI compatible API on the same port. Move quickly. Mm. I'm just warming up here. I think I can take off my jacket. Maybe there's some llama neo. Sorry. Oh, yes. Ah, I'm I'm starting to think GPT script is so much further ahead. I don't like this idea of of prompting out of band. I want to have some sort of flow that's kind of programmatic when it comes to dealing with this. Hmm. Hmm. How does it work? I really don't like this floating prompt thing. Hmm. Oh, llama. Serve. I don't really understand. Yeah. It's running already? I don't really understand. I think it's running already. Nifs, I don't know how to say your name. I mean, ideally, I can just interact with it in the same way as the Open API thing does. Hmm. Well, let's use my some of my OpenAI credit with my NeoVim configuration. I'm just curious as to NeoVim. No, no, NeoVim. Oh, sorry. Don't know why I caught it marked down. So, what I was going to say here. This script really impressed me because I was able to set up some complex routing. with PACTL. Hold on. Tools. I don't know, what is this about? Oh, grabbing things I don't want to grab. Okay. Open. What did I want to do here? You have an open API, a compatible API on that port. Really? Really? Can you suggest some improvements to make it suck less? Okay. Lazy loading. I am using late, whatever. Okay. How come I am using Vim API nim? Interesting. Grouping these together for better readability. Okay. I didn't even know. It does have it has a startup profile? Didn't even know this. Hmm. No, I can't be bothered with tree setter. Ew. Thank you. Ugh. One set. What was I doing wrong again? Use. Come on, autopilot, copilot. Ah, sorry, this is quite frustrating. Refactor. Come on. Why is it suggesting no remap? Let's see if it works. No, it doesn't. Why do I bother? What was the other thing it mentioned that I thought was quite curious? Huh? No startup profile. Uh-huh. So did it just like hallucinate that or something? Because there is no startup profile. Weird. Weird. Okay, let me try. Okay, stash, whatever. I was going to try and maybe update this code to use my local llama. I mean, how hard can that be? Probably it's quite difficult because it's using this stuff. Let me just look at the code. So yeah, for coding, I do use VS Code. I'm sorry. Am I looking at the right code? Is this how to structure code in Golang nowadays? I thought you could just do relative stuff. Because package, I would assume is a package, but I guess it's not in this case. It's part of the code. I don't know. No, it's part of. Is that normal? Uh, Okay, whatever. Oh, just noticed this. It's just right. Ah, yeah, these are. Okay, let me just see if I can figure out how it works. Sorry, there you go. Sorry. No, what am I doing? There's a UI to this. Mm-hmm. Oh, what am I looking for? I'm looking for how does it call OpenAI.com. What is it? What is it? How to use ChatGPT Open API. Mm-hmm. Yes, how do you do it? API keys. Uh, okay, there's a key here. Okay, we have a client. Face URL. Yes. Oh, I can maybe just set it at the end. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I don't quite understand how the posts work. Olama serve post example. Yeah, what am I doing? I'm trying to get GPT script to call the Olama that is serving locally. That's what I'm trying to do. See if I can adapt to run locally on Olama serve. Olama serve is used when you want to start Llama without running the desktop application. There's a desktop application? Oh, here we go. This is what I wanted. Hmm. Oh, what was I running just then? What do I call this? Olama. Yeah. What? The color of the sky primarily depends on the. Oh, interesting. Is that how it works? Hmm. Okay, well that's how it works. Chat with a model. Role user. What is role supposed to mean? System user or assistant? Interesting. The model name. So if I go back to here, how do they specify the model? Default model is which means this one. Set defaults. If tools that parameters model name. I don't really understand how you can specify the model name. Oh yeah, of course you can. We saw that in the list, didn't we? Okay, let's try this. Model name list. Okay. Use local.gpt. Model equals stable. A local test. How does this stuff work again? I don't know if I need that. Hello, are you there? Then I need to set up the base URL. OpenAI base URL. Oh, no. I'm so not used to. I've been just messed up by bloody. Uh, hmm, empty. Nonsense. I don't need an API key, surely. No such host. Just trying to do a DNS lookup here. It is set. Hmm. Hey Matthew, how's Thailand? I'm pretty jealous because the weather here is just awful, 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 awful. Cannot marshal number go value into spoons? Well, I'm not sure what's going on here. Yeah, how do I turn debugging up? I'm so dumb. How do you change the log levels? Why is this so difficult? How do you change the log levels? I don't really know. Logs or rust. Set debug. Yeah. How do I do that again? Set debug. If r.debug. Yeah. How do? Okay, it's some sort of configuration here. Oh, yes. Nice. I'm really worried that's going to read out my bloody API key, but let's hope not. Oh God, there's a few clear. Don't know what's going on here. Oh, interesting. Pre-prompt. You cannot marshal number into Go. Okay. Why am I using Olama? Because I'm spending too much money on OpenAI. So I thought to myself, if I can get GPT script to run on my Olama, maybe that'd be more fun, exploratory way I think things of doing going about things. Yeah, like I spent like $10 yesterday just messing around, I think. Did I? Yeah. So if I can save money with the llama, then I'm all for it. Um, and I really like GPT script. So I just want to make it work. Explore the API of using, yeah. Sorry, it's a bit slow going here because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I need to work out why this doesn't work. How do I figure out what commands are being sent? I need to. This debug is not doing it for me. Okay, I got debug working. Don't quite understand this code. It says it's doing a call, but where does it actually do the call? Bubbity-dum. I don't understand the code. Oh, uh, uh. I'm a bit confused by the new. I didn't realize that this thing stays on the top now. VS Code, new feature. So it's having vision. I don't know what that means. Still don't know what this all means. Hey, good links. Yeah, sorry, I'm on my Arch Linux machine, Matthew. So I got Alarma running through AUR, in all honesty. I'm on my Arch Linux machine. Wasn't it clear from the title of my? I'm writing Arch Linux, not Nix. I'm just sorry. Desperate code debugging here. Let's see if I can get this building locally. This might not work because I haven't. Okay, let me. Right. Then I call temp gpd script. Whatever. No, I need to put DD. Sorry, I forgot to call DD debug. Do 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 do. Great. Why is it doing it twice? Oh, the copying and pasting is killing me. Well, I don't have a Nix system going on my Arch machine, so, and I don't know why this is doing it pasting twice. This is so annoying. I know you're gonna tell me, Matthew, that I could get Nix running on my Arch Linux machine. I know you are. I don't think it's broken. It works. I think it works. I'm just struggling to understand this code. I'm struggling with this keyboard. Oh, for the love of God.
I want the phone.
Okay, just give me my bag. Just give me my bag. Yeah, just give it to me. It's in there. Grab it. Now you can go. Close the door behind you, please. I'm, I can't seem to get my debug messages to come out. It would have been really nice if it just printed out like what line number it's on. Well, it's I mean GPT script is being built with to use Open API, right? And the guy on earlier on my chat, Nerfs, says that the Llama Serve API is the same as Open API. So I thought to myself, well, if Llama Serve is the same API, then all I need to do is set the Open API base URL, and then I'm good to go. No, am I not good to go? Seriously, I'm not good to go because I can't get anything to work. But it's a real pain just to get like, why doesn't any of my debug messages show up? Maybe is it because wait, is it because these packages are cached or something? Desperate. Am I running the wrong binary? Why isn't anything showing up here? I mean, wouldn't you expect that to show up? Wait, maybe it's because the log level's not set up. It's probably, let me just put log info. It should work. Okay, that's good. Ha ha ha. That's nice. Then why isn't it working over here? I'm not used to the keybinds here. Yeah, maybe let me just do it like that. Okay. Okay, I am running the right binary. That's good. That's oh, that's good. Okay, well, I got a starting point. Yeah, there's something running there. There's something running there. Is it? Yeah. I know because I have this test here. It's working. All I need to do is just print out the goddamn message request call, and then I'm sure I'm away and figuring this out. But this is going really badly. Yeah, it's running on HTTP. I know that much. Uh, I know that much. But I still don't understand how this call works. It's like I'm expecting to see a post or something. Am I a fool? Don't answer that question. Temperature? What does that mean? Ew. Oh no, this is painful. Ooh, what is it doing? Why is it doing go tags? Yeah, I'm trying to figure all these little stupid things out. Hold on, let me just figure out this workflow. No, I don't want it to do that. Why is it doing that? Because of this. Hmm. Hmm. I'll get rid of this then. This is where I could do with the debugger. Okay, the model thing is working, which is nice. But what is it where's the post? I just want to see the HTTP post. I'm just don't know how to navigate this code. I mean, client.code looks like the absolute correct thing. Let me just start from the top. Let me have a chat with Copilot. Can you tell me where the HTTP call is and add some debug log lines? Yeah, MP install now. SSH keys are gone. Wow. I am sharing the code I'm working on. Yeah, this is this is the reason why I'm trying to work out how to work with AI. I really just don't know what I'm doing here. I mean, why doesn't Copilot have the context here? Um, use the code I have open in the buffers. This is going so well. What is this thing? Okay. I guess it's just using this thing here. What is this thing? Okay. Well, if I can use this thing, then if I can understand how this works, then I'll be able to maybe do the change. Yeah, okay. Base URL. Okay, let's have a look at this then. Hmm. Oh, llama. Come on, someone must have made this work locally somehow. Okay, let's try this code. Or llama. Let's call it. It's called query llama. How do you do this again? Go mod init github.kindry. I can't even spell my name. Um, your token. Ow, ow, ow. Why can't you set the place URL here? Ay, ay, ay. Uh, Sorry, I'm losing the plot here. What's going on with my RG? don't understand this API here. So we have a default config. Ah, I see now. Um, what was the URL again? Could it be just this? Could it be that? Hmm. I mean, does it do a generate? I don't think the APIs are the same. I don't think that they are the same, to be honest. Let's just try. And the model is this one. I don't think this is going to work. Okay, this is not as easy as I hoped it would be. Can I go look at the code, please? Oh my God, I'm not used to this. Nah, I don't think it's gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Sorry, let me look at what am I looking at now? Don't you know what I have open here? This is GPT script. This is Go Open API. What should I want to have a look at? I don't know how to follow F12. I don't have an F12. Great. Yes. Full URL with body. Okay. Yep. Ah. Okay, let me just think about this. How do I get this to log out? I don't think the API is the same. Okay, I've just got to spend more time on this. I think I've bored you guys to tears. What is Ballard? Don't know. Okay, guys, I bored you yourselves to tears. I'm embarrassed to try and debug these things to get them how I want them to do. So I'm gonna end the stream there. You win some, you lose some. I don't think I can keep up with the pressure of you guys watching me fumble around while I mistype. See ya.